Hello there, bosses. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get access to Canva Pro subscription for free. If this video does help you out, please don't forget to like, comment. If you have any questions, of course, I'll do my best to answer, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell notifications icon so you get notified whenever I post such a video. To get access to Canva Pro for free or Canva Teams for free, what you need to do is to go onto Google and search for Bingo Tingo. Bingo Tingo, like so. Now, what you want to do is go into click on the first link, which will take you to bingotingo.com. All right. Now, once it does open, on the upper tabs, what you want to do, or on the header tabs, what you want to do is click on informative. Okay, like I said, please stay tuned to the end because I have some useful information for you. So once you click on informative, you scroll down until you see where it says best social media platforms. Now all we have to do is click on this image, which takes us to the blog post for best social media platform. Remember, what we clicked on was the image. Now, we scroll down to the bottom where we see a countdown timer. Once this countdown is done, it's going to show up a download button where we can click and get access to a different link. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and wait till it counts down to 5 seconds. All right, so now it's at 5 seconds. So we're waiting to see the download button. All right, there we go. So we have a download button. So what you want to do is click on the download button. Whilst you're doing this, it's very important to note that you need to have your Canva already opened at the background, waiting to be upgraded. Now, what this is going to do is going to try and log you, or is going to log you into Canva Teams. All right. And so as you can see, there's a button saying click here. So what we'll do next is we'll click that button. And normally, from what I have seen, on the first click, it doesn't work. So don't panic. You go back again and you click it for the second time. All right. So you wait, and then it's doing its magic. It's doing its magic. It recognizes the Canva we signed in, and then voila. Just like that. It signed us into Canva Teams. Now, like I said, at the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing some useful information, and this is that information. Now, if you notice here, it says, welcome to Miles Logan's class. All right. So currently, we are in Miles' class, and Miles pays for the Canva Pro subscription. And basically what happens is we are in the team of Miles Logan. And so what happens with Canva Teams is you need to know there can be certain administrative configurations at the back. For now, from what I have seen, there is no such, because I have a friend of mine I showed back in the day has been using this for about a year with no issues. However, you need to know that anytime you are on someone's team, the owner of that team still maintains the right, as you can see, I'm on Mouse's team, still maintains the right to take you out of the team. All right. And so for now, you can use it for as long as you want. I've never ever seen anyone complain about being signed out. And that's it. You have Canva Pro. But bear in mind, you are on Mouse's team and Mouse is the admin. So if you do any work using this team, it is very important that you share a copy of that file, or an editable copy of that file, and you re-upload the link onto your own Canva account, all right, or how you call it, so that in future you can get access to it should in case Mark removes you from his team, which never happens, by the way. So thank you very much, bosses. It's been wonderful sharing my knowledge with you. See you in the next one. All the best using Canva.